Finding the right sourcing agent can make or break your e-commerce empire. So let's dive into the Allchinabuy vs Acbuy showdown to see which one reigns supreme. First up, product procurement. Allchinabuy boasts a vast network of suppliers, giving you access to a huge range of products. But Acbuy focuses on specialized product sourcing, potentially finding better deals on niche items. Which agent is superior ultimately depends on what you are looking for. Next, quality control. Both agents offer QC services, but pay close attention to what's included. Does Acbuy offer more detailed inspection reports than Allchinabuy? Or does Allchinabuy have a more rigorous pre-shipment checking process? Consider which QC process best suits your products. Logistics are crucial. Compare their shipping options, shipping costs, and delivery times. Allchinabuy may have a wider range of shipping partners, whereas Acbuy might be more competitive on certain routes. Get quotes from both for your specific needs to find the most cost-effective solution. And finally, customer communication. Read reviews and see which agent is more responsive and provides clearer updates. Because misunderstandings and delays can kill a good deal, strong communication is non-negotiable. In the end, the best agent for your e-commerce business depends on your specific needs. By weighing these factors, product procurement, quality control, logistics, and communication, can choose the right partner to propel your business to success. Which agent do you prefer and why? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.